Hi everyone. Given the factor x minus 2, we're going to find the value of a for our polynomial 3x squared plus ax minus 8. Right, there's two different ways to do this. I'm going to do a little bit more complicated way first. So I'm going to set this up by letting 3x squared plus ax minus 8 equal my factor, which is x minus 2 times and 3x plus b. Now, the reason I picked 3x plus b, because let's FOIL this out. This gives me 3x squared when you multiply this, right? So that's why I wanted to set that up that way. And then when we FOIL all this out, we get minus xb. And then we're going to get minus 6x. And then we're going to get minus 2b. So I can write this now as 3x squared and group my x's together. It's going to be b minus 6x, and then we're going to have minus 2b. So we have this set up like this. All right, so now that I set it up that way, what we have is, 3x squared plus ax minus 8. So we're going to equate coefficients. So we have these two. So we have b minus 6 equals a. So basically I'm doing that. Now my constants, I'm going to equate those together. And that's going to be negative 2b equals negative 8. So for this one we're going to get this. Let's do b first. So that means b is going to equal 4. And here we have b equals a plus 6. So we have 4 equals a plus 6. And we're looking for a, right? So a is going to equal negative 2. And I'll just substitute in 4 here. I could have just done that. So you could have done here 4 minus 6 equals a. So you get a equals negative 2. Now the other way to do this is a little simpler. It's called the remainder theorem. Basically it just means if x minus 2 is a factor, set this to 0 and you get x equals 2. And you substitute it into this equation as you set this to 0. So basically you're going to have 3 times 2 squared plus a times 2 minus 8 equals 0. This is going to give you 3 times 4 plus 2a minus 8 equals 0. So you get 2a equals 8 minus 12. So you get 2a equals negative 4. Right. All right. So a equals negative 2. This way is a little easier, and that's from the remainder theorem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.